Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about wild rice, how to store it, and how to freeze it after it's been cooked. Well, wild rice is very low in its fat content. That's an important point because the fat in foods is what will cause them to spoil easily when they're stored at room temperature. And as long as you keep it dry and airtight and in a relatively cool environment, it can keep on the shelf uncooked for up to 10 years from what I understand. So there's a long shelf life on wild rice, which is a wonderful thing for people who are trying to stock up on their food. Once you cook it, you want to put your wild rice in an airtight container and put it in the refrigerator and use it as quickly as possible. The standard rule of thumb for using leftovers is within 4 days for best quality, and to be sure that it's not going to spoil. Now, some resources will say that wild rice will keep in the refrigerator for longer than that. It is possible, but I like to stick with 4 or 5 days if possible. Once it's cooked, you can freeze wild rice by putting it in an airtight container and just storing it in the freezer. It'll keep for up to about 6 months that way. When you go to use it, you could put it in the refrigerator and let it thaw in there overnight, or you could possibly use it frozen depending upon how you're going to use it, or maybe even run it under cold water to give it a quick thaw if you need to. Well, I do hope this helps you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Bye for now.